Alright, guys, earlier doing another Riddler 99 box break, doing a box of 2011-2012 Panini Rookie Anthology that I did last night at eBay. That is Sunday, March 24th, between I believe 8:45 and 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The last team that ended was the Winnipeg Jets. They ended at 8:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Current eBay time is 8:54 p.m. or a.m. Sorry, blah. Monday, March 25th. Let's scroll down and show you the serial number. NE 181173608. Pop open the webcam so I can show that to you right now. 181173608. It's not crystal clear, but it's not bad. For some reason, this webcam software does not like to be extremely clear. I don't know why, but it makes it grainy for some reason. Considering it's clear on Blog TV. Sealbox Rookie Anthology. I want to thank everybody for participating in the break. Wish everybody good luck. And yeah, mind you, I'm back up to 7 boxes a night on eBay. So if you guys want to get in on those, Sunday to Thursday, 7 a night. Also, I'm going to do live breaks every Sunday, and I might do some. Although this week will be Saturday because of the Easter break, and I might do some this Thursday. I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do here. But for now, I do these ones. Put the bonus pack right there. Most of you do know I broadcast live on Blog TV in the mornings. That's going away though because Blog TV is going away. This is a thick one. And we will be at Riddler99.tv starting on Thursday morning. Or Wednesday morning, one of those two. I'll figure it out. Alright, good luck everybody. This is a thick one here. Pecorine, John Tavares, Gary Lettinen. We have rookie treasures out of $4.99 for the Philadelphia Flyers. Harry Zolnierczyk. Harry Zolnierczyk. Not a bad hit for the Flyers right off the hop. Remember, base cards do not ship. Sagan and Mike Smith with Rookie Anthology. Only out of 1-pack boxes and Luxury Suite. As everything's serial in Luxury Suite. Brad Marchand, Phil Kessel. We have a rookie for the Minnesota Wild of Jared Palmer. And if anybody gets a chance later on, watch the Dominion break video. I haven't set it to live yet, but later on, because it's gonna be the last one I put up. Especially if you're an Oilers fan, Jared Palmer. Decoy, Ovechkin, and Ryan Miller. Briere, Elliott, Alfredson. We have a rookie rivalry which will need to be randomized at the end of the video between Simone Dupre and Zach Rinaldo. So between Pittsburgh and Philly. God willing that I remember. Milan Lucic and Pavel Datsyuk. Biron, Couture, we have for the Winnipeg Jets, a pinnacle rookie of Paul Postma. Paul Postma, pinnacle rookie. A decoy, Thomas Fleischman, and Cam Ward. Taze, Lidstrom, we have a rookie for the Montreal Canadiens, Frederick St. Denis. For the Montreal Canadiens. A decoy, Richards, and Hossa. Carlson, Craig Anderson. We have Calder contenders for the Nashville Predators. Jeremy Smith. Jeremy Smith. Out of 999. 979 out of 999. A decoy, Vokun, and Yager. Kopitar, Crawford, Ryan Smith. We have a nice one for the Wings. Out of 299, certified rookie of Gustav Nyquist. Not a bad pickup for the Wings. maybe I'm going to be back with the Wings here. I went cold on them for a while. I don't know how, but Hiller and Kessler. The last couple days I've been pulling more Wings. So ebb and flow. Drew, O'Reilly, Solani. Rookie rivalry between the Canucks and the Leafs. Scrivens and Eddie Lack. I love the autofocus. That'll be randomized as well. Hopefully. Spezza and Carter. Koivu, Schneider. We have a rookie royalty for the Florida Panthers. Brian Foster. Decoy, Backstrom and Martin St. Louis. Rick Nash, Jamie Benn. We have for the Buffalo Sabres, pinnacle rookie of Marcus Foligno. Wait, the focus to kick in here. Foligno does not like it. There we go. A Decoy, Malkin, and Getzlaff. Alright, on to the bonus pack. Good luck, everybody. And the streak continues for one person in particular with the Rangers. Matt Zuccarello, Luxury Suite. Jersey and stick. Okay, so let's do those two randomizations. Let's do the Pittsburgh Philly one first, and then we'll do the Toronto Vancouver one. Philadelphia Flyers, Pittsburgh Penguins. Okay, so I'm gonna hit randomize 5 times. Team on top wins the card. Ready? 1, Philly's on top. 2, Pittsburgh's on top. 3, Pittsburgh's on top. 4, Pittsburgh's on top. Hit all the menus. Do a big cycle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the winner is the Philadelphia Flyers with Zach Rinaldo, Simone Dupre rookie rivalry. Next one, we'll do the Canucks and the Leafs. We'll put Toronto in first because I do alphabetical order, like I said. And the Vancouver Canucks. Ready? 5 times, team on top wins the card. 1, Toronto's on top. 2, Vancouver's on top. 3, Toronto's on top. 4, Vancouver's on top. And the winner is the Vancouver Canucks. So that's it for the break. I'm going to stop the video, upload it, and put it live on the website. Have a good one, everybody. Oh, and remember, I have more breaks tonight, and as well as I'm going to have some live breaks on Sunday. Or Saturday, sorry, not Sunday. And maybe Thursday.